Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to fund Alipay account with Naira. Okay, Naira is app, a wallet, okay, that allows you to send money or phone this digital wallet to send to another wallet. Okay, it's really easy to use. For example, in this case, you need to add money, but if you want to add money in Alipay, you need to change right here the currency. In this case, you only need to click this button right here, and as you can see, we have Chinese currency, and right here you can add money clicking this. Okay, or you can simply convert your local currency clicking this button right here, uh, and you change your local currency to Chinese currency, and then you can click this button called send once you have your Chinese currency or Chinese balance, and then click send, and right here you can select the payment method. In this case, you is Alipay. Um, and well, aquí here you can uh, add all this information in this screen, and select an amount and send the money. Okay, it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.